I have the Samsung Galaxy S24, and I'll be showing you how to enter and also how to exit maintenance mode. So maintenance mode is basically a mode for maintenance. It's a mode you put your phone in, for instance, when it's going to a repair shop, or maybe, yeah, basically a repair shop where the person handling your phone needs access to the phone, but of course you don't want them to access your personal data. So you put it in maintenance mode to hide your personal data. So I'll be showing you how to enable maintenance mode. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to device care, tap on that, and then under device care, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you should see maintenance mode. So tap on that, and you have a brief explanation of how maintenance mode keeps you safe. So only pre-installed apps are available. Personal data, including pictures, messages, and accounts, can't be accessed. Okay, so you want to turn on that, and then tap on restart. Now, if you want to, you can restart without creating a log. Now, you don't want to do that most of the time unless you're in a big hurry, because this takes some time. So leave it like that and then tap on restart. Now it's going to create a log, which basically means it's going to save everything the way it is right now, so you can pick up from exactly this point when you exit out of maintenance mode. So just give it time. This may take about 2 minutes. Once it's done creating the log, the phone will restart, and it's now restarting in maintenance mode. So you can see it says maintenance mode. Now, if you still have your SIM card in there, then of course, chances are you might want to remove it before you take it to a repair shop. So either remove the SIM card, but for me, I'll just put in my PIN quickly, because I'm just doing this for you guys. And now we are in maintenance mode. You can always tell your phone is in maintenance mode because it's going to say maintenance mode in the bottom left corner. Okay, so if I could bring this closer for you to see, it says maintenance mode. Now that badge will always be there as long as your phone is in maintenance mode. So now when it's like this, you can actually give it to your repair guy or the repair shop. You can give them, they can use the phone, they can go into settings, they can look at everything. When they go to the gallery, they'll not be able to see your pictures. Okay, they can go to the messages app, but they'll not be able to see your messages. They can go to the call log, and they'll not even be able to see your recent call log, but all that information is still on your phone. So once you get your phone back and you want to exit out of maintenance mode, just go to settings. On the main settings page, go to device care once again, and then under device care at the bottom, you should see maintenance mode. Now it knows my phone is in maintenance mode, so I'll tap on that, and then I'll tap on the exit button to exit out of maintenance mode. So it's going to say your phone needs to restart, so tap on restart. You have to verify your identity. Okay, so you need a password to restart the phone back into normal mode and out of maintenance mode. So your phone should restart and put you back exactly where you are before you enabled maintenance mode. So there you go, the good old SIM pin. And that's it. We are now back into the phone. I can go to my gallery, look at my photos, everything is back. Okay, and that's basically how to use maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.